All right, Coach. So how does it feel to be back in the Berry?
Feels good. You know, here's one thing about the Berry that was, it's nice to see, man, the banners and the new paint make it look way nicer, doesn't it? It looks a little more like a basketball ring when you're playing. So that was great to see. And you know, they've done a nice job of updating stuff. So felt good to be at home. Felt good to get a win.
All right. So what are your thoughts of how the game went tonight?
You know, I mean, in the first half, I was a little disappointed. You know, we didn't capitalize on many offensive opportunities. We had a lot of, you know, what you would call high percentage shots, in the paint shots, that we missed a number of them. You know, overall, defensively, we lost a couple of their shooters. You know, I thought we had a good stanza really in the second half. And we held into about 39 for about a 4 to 5 minute stretch. And I thought that was our best defensive effort, and then we were able to get a few pushes into a couple of easy baskets. You know, I mean, we need to have, and again, it's evolving. We have a new offense in with a lot of new guys. So you combine the new offense with new guys, and we're struggling right now to really understand what needs to happen. And hopefully, I mean, I believe in it. I know our guys will get there. We just got to get way better at it.
Okay.
What did Craig Remsford from the Mining Journal, by the way? What did Finlandia do in the first part of the game that caused you some problems?
It was more our defensive lapses, to tell you the truth. I mean, now, granted, you know, they had 12 come up and make. You know, he had 3 threes in the first half. LaPlante, nice player. You know, we did a really poor job of being to help in closing. We lost him basically in a simple help side option where we didn't get to where we had to go. And then, you know, I thought, you know, that they got a transition or two. We did not do just with enough energy play to defend like we should, and we need to as we move forward. That's for sure.
Can you talk a little bit about Rad Key? He was the highest scorer of the night.
Yeah, he played really well. I mean, it's good to see Cooper come into his own. You know, I mean, tonight we had all our double-figure scorers were our freshmen tonight. You know, which is great to see. You know, we got to have a few of our you know, second-year guys step up and be able to help us there as well. You know, I mean, he was able to get the ball in the interior and finish quite easily. And again, I thought tonight the shots he was making were shots that against anybody, because you know it's a quick jump hook, quick shot. You know, he's going to be able to get that up against any team we play.
How key was that late stretch in the first half, which kind of separated you a little bit from Finlandia?
Well, it was huge. I mean, we finally, you know, kind of mixed and matched a lot of different guys, and we finally really found a group that was going to go out there and really spark us and play hard. And it was a few of the starters. You know, I thought in that stretch, although Spencer Huss didn't make a basket, I thought he did a really good job of just, from a defensive standpoint, really just staying with some energy. You know, he had about 2 or 3 times of penetration that he was able to just kind of stay in his man. They couldn't get any deeper. And I think that was the biggest thing, is we have finally got 5 guys out there that were all playing at a high level.
Did you change anything at halftime?
Not really. I told him I better not let 14 get any more, 12 get any more shots, which he still made 1 more 3. You know, I mean, it's like, I think right now, I mean, it's not so much about adjustments as just getting our guys to start to believe in each other a little more, and then really understand, you know, what we have to do to be successful. And I think that's the one thing that I was happy to see tonight as well. Is, you know, we missed a lot of shots, but we had 20 offensive rebounds. You know, and a lot of those were scramble type shots. You know, Chavis Matson had 6, and I bet you 3 of them were he just chased the ball down on a 50-50 situation. So let's hope that can continue.
What did you do in the second half that helped you pull away?
We defended, you know, we got the ball into areas where, you know, it wasn't much difference in the first half and the second half, except that we actually made a few layups. You know, I mean, we shot 54% in the second half as compared to the 37, and there really wasn't much difference in the shots that were taken. It's that, you know, a little better concentration, and they went in, which need to happen. I mean, if you're a college basketball player and you have a 2-foot shot, you got to make it.
Any questions, guys? No, thank you.
Hey, fantastic. Thanks.